Did you accidentally ban someone and can't figure out how to undo it? Learn to unban any member in under 30 seconds. I'll walk you through the exact menu path. Just follow these 8 simple steps from your server settings. Open Discord and log into your account. Now, click on the server where you want to unban someone. Click your server name in the top left corner to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, select Server Settings to access the server configuration. In the left sidebar, scroll down until you see the Moderation section. Click on Ban to see a list of all banned users. Find the user you want to bring back and click on their name. Click Revoke Ban to unban them. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.